when we think of benefits that xneelo offers, we really believe our main differentiator is customer service. You know, the fact that you can contact us and actually get help. You know, it's like, how often does that happen these days? And, you know, so that is, you know, one of our main benefits or differentiators. Then also, you know, being able to start small and simple on our web hosting platform and being able to grow as your business grows is probably the second item. And, you know, we want to build trust with our customers. And so we really work hard at that aspect, and that's not just, you know, that's not just up to our customer service area. It goes bigger in the business. I think another differentiator for us is we own our own data centers. You know, that allows us to be a bit more innovative in terms of what we do on the underlying infrastructure and how we build up our services. It creates opportunity for differentiation within a bigger market. And then we've got our own control panel, which is really a method of helping our customers with tools and capabilities to help them manage their platform or their environment or their website. So I'd say, yeah, you know, between customer service, our approach to technology, you know, in terms of the data centers, and then the tools that we provide to the customers, that would be our differentiators. Yeah.